What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to check if somebody blocked you on Discord. Now there is a super easy way to do this, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this today. I am on Discord mobile, but this works for desktop Discord as well if you were on that. So obviously the first thing I'm going to do is just open up my Discord app. And then you're going to go as if you're adding a friend, hit the friends tab. It's the second tab at the bottom if you're on mobile. And then you just click on add friend. And then from here, you just type in their username into the search box. So I'm typing in an account that I blocked, or they blocked me from this account just to show you guys for this example. So I'm just entering in the name and the tag. And then I am sending a friend request. And if this comes up and says friend request failed, that means that they have blocked you and there's obviously no way to add them back as a friend. So it's just going to give you this explanation for why you can't add them back. And that's essentially how you check if someone has blocked you on Discord. This is the best way to check it. Discord doesn't really advertise it as a way to check it, which is the reason why I really wanted to make this video, just to show you guys and expose this knowledge of being able to check if somebody blocked you on Discord. For some reason, they want to keep it private, but with this method, you could end up checking. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this method works, be sure to comment them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.